I'm going to show you how you can easily convert Worldcoin to USDT on Binance. First, open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure to create your account before proceeding further. Then tap on the wallet option shown in the bottom right corner. Now you will have various options including deposit, withdraw, buy, and transfer. After that, go back to the home page and tap on the pointed icon shown at the top right corner. Here, tap on the convert option provided here. In the next step, choose a currency such as Worldcoin in the From area. In the meantime, select USDT in the To area. Then, enter the amount in the Worldcoin box. Now it will convert that amount into USDT and show you on the screen. You can hit the Preview Conservation button and easily deposit the money.